Hello friends, I'm Ayushi Zina and this is my weird family. Just to kill some time, there are certain questions with us which we'll be asking each other, and we are giving you a hint that you can ask the same question to your family members and pass some time too. So let's start.
Well, the first question that I'm going to ask you, are you aware of your flaws? Are you aware of your flaws, your drawbacks? Yes, Ayushi.
Well, I know that I'm a human and so I do have flaws and I'm quite aware about them. And I think the first flaw that comes to my mind is that I'm very fickle minded. I have many things going on together and I jump from one thing to another without finishing it. And so that brings me to my second flaw, which is I'm a huge procrastinator. I have this bad habit of always being very laid back and not finishing things. So I'm trying to work on it, but I am not getting very good at it.
Okay, Aita.
I think my biggest flaw would be that I'm extremely laid back about everything because I'm naturally extremely lazy. So, no matter what I start, after a point, I somehow get bored of it and I do not complete it fully. So, I think that is my biggest flaw.
Okay, you please.
I think in my flaws I am very short tempered, and another flaw is that I jump to conclusions, and third one is that I start so many things with a lot of enthusiasm, but after some time I lose all interest and I stop pursuing it.
Well, about me, I think I take a little time to reflect sometimes, and sometimes I go blank also. So these are other two flaws that right now that are coming to my mind. Okay, now next one is, are you going slow? Are you going fast? How is your life going? Are you going slow or are you going fast?
I think in some things I'm going fast, in some ways I'm going a bit slow, but overall, if you say it is a balanced thing, for example, I can tell you that I'm 26 right now. I think career wise, I'm okay. Assistant professor is not that bad. I have two books to my credit, but there are still many more things I want to achieve. And one thing I would like to mention is that I love traveling, and at this age only, I can say that I've gone to one foreign country all by myself, explored many places of India. So yeah, overall, I'm going in a good pace.
Okay, are you going slow or are you going fast?
To be honest, I do not exactly know if I'm going too slow or too fast, but I believe that everyone has their own pace. Someone's slow can be another person's fast. Even I have taken a drop for 1 year, so maybe for someone else this might be slow, but according to me, right now that was very much needed for me. So I believe in my own pace, own way of doing things. So it might be different from others.
Yes, you.
Mm, right now, at the present moment, I am going a little bit slow because when I was younger, maybe when I was her age, I started a school and then I raised two kids and I built a house. I did so many things on my own. So I went at a great pace, great speed then.
Ma'am, you look
So
there. Hmm.
so after some time, maybe with age, now I think that I should go a little slow.
And I think I'm going pretty fast because I'm too busy with my music sessions. I like to play drums and every day I play. I'm busy writing books. I'm busy reading books. I'm busy taking classes. So I'm going fast and I'm pretty satisfied with it. Okay, now next. Uh, do you feel insecure regarding anything? Do you feel insecure? Let me start with me only. I think the age is catching me up, so I do feel insecure sometimes. And plus, I'm not exactly at the right side of the fence. I'm having some physical problems, the health issues with me. So yes, sometimes I feel insecure. Yes, what about you?
I am comfortable in my skin. I don't have any insecurities as such.
Now, okay,
I believe we are all
speak louder.
humans, and I believe every human, no matter what they say, has some kind of even the smallest bit of insecurity. Because after all, we are all flawed. So there's something that might not be visible to others, but we might be self conscious about it. So I'd rather say that every one of us definitely have some kind of insecurity.
Could you
Or
look
the
for
other.
mine? But I could not find one. We'll sit
Yeah.
separately and get to
But I'm
that.
definitely sure you do.
Okay.
Okay, you.
Yes, I have the insecurity of old age and the problems related to that because I have seen how they suffer at that age. And I have an insecurity of getting out of work because I am habituated of working for so many years that I don't think I can sit idle at home for long.
Right. Well, the next question is, do you have any phobia? Are you scared of something? Like I'm having claustrophobia. Whenever I get caught in traffic jam, I find it very hard to breathe. Then I'm very much scared of rash driving or very fast driving. When I see someone driving very fast or very rash, my heart starts thumping. I feel very nervous. So yes, I'm having these phobias. Yes, you.
I have many phobias, but I cannot actually count them. One is this rash driving thing that I also have a phobia of. I have of many things actually, but right now it's not actually coming to my mind.
Well, I have the phobia of complete darkness. It completely freaks me out. And another phobia that I have is one which sounds really, really stupid and silly, and that is of erasers. If I see any eraser even a few centimeters around me, I know I just feel very, very anxious about it.
And I think you are very scared of creepy crawly things. Even their
Yes,
pictures make you
yes.
Yeah.
horrified.
Okay.
I also have claustrophobia, and another phobia I have is of height. Whenever I am on a terrace or in a lift or at a great height, I become very uneasy and I'm very scared, and my head starts reeling.
One fear I just now
Hmm.
thought of. These are the external elements of fear. I have a fear of not like living a life that I really want to. Like till now, I have had all the freedom to do exactly what I want to do. But I am scared of a day, suppose it comes when I'm not able to do so. So that is one fear I have.
Well,
So
are
that
you?
is the
Yeah,
insecurity.
exactly. That's
Ah.
not a
That is-
phobia.
That is the
insecurity.
insecurity.
That is the
Yes.
insecurity, in fact. Okay, the next one is, are you obsessed with something or someone? Are you obsessed with something?
Are you?
I believe that I'm an extremely obsessive person. So, for example, if I read any new book or I watch any new show, so for a week at least I'll be completely obsessed about it. I'll be talking about it, I'll be writing about it. So, any new thing, I'm completely 110% obsessed about it at that point of time.
Why not 125? Okay, you.
I'm obsessed about eating. I'm obsessed about planning trips, going somewhere.
Obsessed about birthday cakes.
Yes, I am. And I'm obsessed about Friends, the TV show.
I would like to add something.
Hmm.
More than enjoying the part that it's someone's birthday, she actually finds excuses to eat cakes.
So
That's the
there's
main priority.
the thing is, it's always somebody's birthday somewhere in the world. So why not eat a cake?
Exactly.
Okay.
I have an obsession for cleanliness, and I'm a cleanliness freak, and I want my house to be very prim and proper all the time. Then I'm obsessed about my collection of saris. Though I have a very huge collection, but still I'm never tired of buying more.
Well, I'm obsessed with musical instruments. I'm obsessed with my drum. Recently, I have bought a dholak, so I'm busy. I'm obsessed with that. Then I'm obsessed with watches. I'm having a lot of watches. I love to wear them. I'm obsessed with perfumes also. So I'm having a wide collection of perfumes. So well, yes, I'm obsessed with so many things. Of course, I'm obsessed with white shirts and the black shirts. Again, I think I'm having a lot of white shirts and a black shirts. Next one is, do you want to keep high profile or low profile? Do you want to keep high profile or do you want to keep low profile?
I want to keep a middle profile. A profile where people know me for what are the good things in me, but I don't want to try too hard, be out there making people know me. If my work is good and if things are really going well, I want people to know it themselves.
Yes, you want?
I believe in minimalism a lot, and I like subtlety about a person. So definitely low profile. I want everything about me to be subtle. I don't want it to be out there. It should be that people on their own can notice, or even if they don't.
So how will
I'm
they
not-
notice? Because you are so averse to even posting your pics on social media.
That's the thing that it doesn't bother me. Even if someone is not noticing me, it won't bother me as long as I'm happy with my own self.
Okay, you?
Or neither a high profile nor a low profile. I want to keep it midway.
No, in the writing field, I want to keep myself on a high profile. I see myself as a very established writer, a well-known writer, so I want to keep high profile in a writing field. But on other field, maybe say when I go to any party or any social gathering, I want to keep low profile. It is not I don't want that everyone should know me and say, yes, he's a big shot or whatsoever. So it's like. So already we have taken about 5 or 6 questions. Uh, the last one. Let's have the last one. Is there something missing in your life? Is there something missing in your life?
Yes, I think. But what?
Yes. Is there something missing in your life?
Well, I'm sorry if I sound too intellectual, but I believe no one's life can ever be too complete. There's always something missing, no matter how rich a person is. There has to be something missing from it. Maybe it might be materialistic, any item, or something within you, be it happiness or peace.
So what is it
So
that
we
is
are all-
missing in you?
That I do not know.
And
That's
also
what
do
I
not
mean. That's what I'm asking. That what exactly is missing in your life? Like right now, first let me answer. Then I think you should. Like I miss my dad quite a lot because he was the person after the class I used to sit with him, and we used to have a very nice chat. He used to brief me about so many things. So that part is completely missing from my life. The second thing I miss, I need someone to talk to, So I miss someone really. So there are certain things that is missing in my life.
So you're openly telling that you cannot talk
Talk
to
to.
us.
The thing is that whatever I read the books, I want someone. Look, I have already read so many stories. So in the morning on breakfast table, I used to narrate one or two, but after that, I just saw that you are losing the interest. You are making an excuse and slipping off.
No, we were not making excuses. Here we have to do all the domestic work
But I
ourselves.
think that hardly makes any difference.
No,
When
it does. It
No,
does.
when you speak for 5 or 10 minutes, it hardly makes any difference. So in a 10 minutes, I don't think we are going to do, sort out all the household chores. Anyway, what yours?
Of course, I miss my parents, and the biggest thing I miss is that I cannot talk in my mother tongue. And there are so many times when I read something very funny or very good in Bangla, and maybe on Facebook, maybe a very good Bangla book or a magazine, and I can just translate and tell you those things in Hindi or English, but the
Essence.
exact essence doesn't come, and I wish I could speak those lines in Bangla, and that is what I have the pang in my heart. I miss a lot.
But again, you could do that to us. I've been asking you to teach me Bangla for a very long time. and
No,
we can
Bangla is
understand
the
Bangla.
easiest language, and I think by now all three of you
I
should
can
have
read,
learned
I
it.
can also write and speak.
Okay, now let's sum up. I think today Aipta will sum up.
Really?
Yeah, I'd rather not. You should sum it up.
Okay, you sum it up.
So now you can see why I call my family weird. Yeah. So I think your family is equally weird. So why don't you sit? You have these questions. There are two benefits of this. One, obviously, your communication skill. Choose to speak in a language you want to conquer. I'm not saying just English, any language that you want to conquer, not a language you are really good at. And secondly, it also helps you know your family members better. See, just 4 of us know each other so well. Still here, there were new things that we heard about each other. So try this at home and have a good time. Bye.
फैन 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 तब से मच्छर काट के मेरा